this is Angie. Welcome back to the Flip Learning series. Today, we will take a look at team-based learning in Flip Classroom. Let's start with the basic. What is a team? This is a team. This may not be a team. Alright, let's try it again. This is teamwork. And this is group work. A team is different from a group because in a team, people have high level of commitment and high level of trust. So what is team-based learning? It is an instructional strategy that is based on procedures for developing high-performance learning teams that can dramatically enhance the quality of student learning. So how do team-based learning relate to flipped learning? In both team-based learning and flipped learning, students learn concepts at home. And class time is saved for application of concepts. So team-based learning is a good match for flipped learning. So how do we use team-based learning in our class? This is a book that I highly recommend, Team-Based Learning, a Transformative Use of Small Groups, edited by Larry Michelson, Aletta Knight, and Dee Feng. This presentation is based on the recommendation in this book. According to Dr. Michelson, there are 4 principles of team-based learning that an instructor needs to remember. 1. Groups must be properly formed and managed. 2. Students must be made accountable. 3. Team assignments must promote both learning and team development. And lastly, students must receive frequent and immediate feedback. So we have 4 principles here: group formation, student accountability, interactive assignment, and frequent and immediate feedback. Let's expand the first principle. In team formation, it is better to enable group diversity and avoid established relationships, because established relationships based on backgrounds such as nationality, cultural, native language, region, or species can make some members feel entirely excluded. Like this cat, no matter how much she tries to be a bunny, she's still a cat. Additionally, group diversity enables the individual to contribute their strength and unique ability to team success. Because it needs time to develop trust, group needs to last for the whole semester to enhance bonding, and to make it fair, group needs to be formed by the teacher. For a successful team-based learning experience, readiness assurance process is critical because every member in the group needs to be on the same page with each other to assure interaction to go smoothly and the final product to be united. There are 5 steps in readiness assurance process. 1. Assign reading. 2. Individual test. 3. Team test. 4. Appeals. This is a time when the team can send appeals if they do not agree with the teacher's answer. And lastly, oral instructor feedback. Here's how team-based learning looks like in the course of a lesson. At home, students are given assigned readings or video lectures. Then in class, students spend their time on doing practice or application of course concepts. The readiness assurance process happens at the beginning of in-class session and lasts for approximately half of the class time or 1/3 of the class time. We have here individual tests, team tests, written appeals, and clarifying lecture. Clarifying lecture is necessary to assure that all the students have the accurate knowledge before starting practice. Instructors' feedbacks are available throughout the lesson, both at home and in class. Next, team assignment. The assignment used in team-based learning needs to focus on interaction, not the final product. Many instructors tend to use group presentation as team assignment. While depending on how it is conducted, team presentation may be a good team assignment or a disaster. If students are asked to provide team formal presentation or a final writing product, chances are the assignment will be divided in sections and each member works individually. Like in this picture, one person takes the head, another takes the tail, and probably somebody else gonna take the body. Interaction may not take place at all. However, when students are given short time to present, they tend to work with each other to decide what to include and what to opt out. So all that it needs is 3 minutes presentation. Grading is an issue. Every student is anxious about grading, especially when some members do not contribute and receive all the good grades. Well, that's not fair. Here's the deal. Let your students decide the weight for their grades. So, they will decide the amount of points awarded to individual performance, team performance, member contribution, appeals, etc. And as the students make decisions on how to grade in their team, they lay their first stone in building their team. There may be more ideas to facilitate team-based learning in the classroom. As a teacher, you can be very creative in finding the right recipe for your students to acquire knowledge. You may need a couple of interactive assignments, 2 tablespoons of accountability, 3 tablespoons of immediate feedback, and a handful of diversity. Well, you may also add secret ingredient to your taste. Thank you for watching and good luck!